killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand, call.
What's up, YouTube? Coming to y'all with another video, man. Just got another mod in today. I gave y'all a little hint from the other video. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, man. Y'all gotta forgive me, man. But with that being said, man, let's get to the mod. This mod right here is brought to you by MP Concepts. Do y'all know what that is? Can y'all guess what that is? Alright, so let's go into it. Like I said, man, I'm gonna give y'all the link down below, what I paid for this mod and everything. Let's see what we got here. Long time coming. For those of you that don't know, that's the front lip splitter that I got from MP Concepts. Let me see if I can get that up. So yes, sir, it's that time to put this thing on. So by the time y'all see this video, man, it'll probably be uploaded this afternoon. Hopefully I have this on this afternoon, let y'all see what it is, what it looks like. I do have the poles to go inside those that goes to the bumper to make it look a little bit more aggressive. Y'all ain't gonna believe the price I paid for this, for the Dodge Challengers. Let me go ahead and give y'all a hint. I paid $106 for this one, and this is by American Muscles. Like I said, I'll have the link down below to let y'all know where I got it, how much it was, shipping and everything. This was another mod that came in, so of course y'all are going to get the glimpse of what it looks like with it installed. Told y'all, man, I know it's been a minute, like I say, since I posted a video, but like I said, man, these mods are coming in. As soon as the mods come in, I give y'all the videos on it. Another thing, we'll try, if I don't get this mod put on today, it'll probably get done probably Sunday. So by the time y'all see this video, it'll probably be uploaded Sunday afternoon when I get this put on, due to me having to work night shifts for the next 3 days. So y'all kind of bear with me. Like I said, man, I got this mod coming. I also got something else coming, man, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. We're on our way to 500. We made 300, so let's go ahead and push that 500, man. Let's go ahead and make it happen. Like I say, this is the front lip chin splitter guard. I got it off American Muscle website. I'll give y'all the website down below, the price and all that. You know, I give y'all the low, man, for those of y'all not trying to break y'all wallet on getting these things, man. Now the yellow front lip guards, I don't know if I can keep those, but I'm gonna see if I can keep those on, because I really do like them. But yeah, man, y'all think y'all ready for it? The silverback is coming together, man. But like I say, man, y'all stay tuned for the videos. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. We are on our way to 500. For those of y'all that are new to the channel, man, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do keep content coming. Like I say, I just know I haven't posted in a while due to me getting my boat ready and up and running. That video, well, that channel will be coming up soon. The boat is ready now. I'm just waiting on one part, and that's my bimini top. I should have that done Friday. So with that said, the boat is done, so y'all will be seeing videos of that coming soon. That, like I say, that channel is pretty much gonna be something totally different from the car channel. I'm gonna try to keep this channel right here mainly about the silverback. Like I say, I do have another video coming that's gonna say good news, bad news. Please stay tuned for that video. Some of y'all are gonna like it, some of y'all are not gonna like it, but it's for the better. And also it's up to get the viewers up also. So with that said, man, like I said, I will try to do a how to install video on this. Y'all gotta bear with me, because like I say, a lot of my videos I do them by myself, so it's kind of hard to try to record and install this stuff at the same time. But if I don't, like I say, I will give y'all a step-by-step how I install this. So it didn't come with instructions. It's pretty simple. The holes are already pre-drilled in it. Self-explanatory, man. So it didn't come with any bolts, because you're pretty much taking your bolts that's already in the vehicle and you just installing them. But with that said, man, like I said, it said I don't have to take the bumper off to install this, so we'll see. Like I say, man, y'all just stay tuned and wait. Like I say, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button, comment, and let's get on our way. Like I said, MP Concepts, man. MP Concepts. Peace. Alright guys, so I'm back, man. So let me give y'all a heads up of what it looks like. The MP Concept front lip chin splitter. Alright, this is what I got. So it didn't come with any screws, like I said, but you do have 4 screws that lines up with it in the back. So what you would do is you would line those 4 screws up. It's gonna line up perfectly. So and then what I did was I found 4 extra screws over here, which is those was off. So I took those 4 screws and put 2 on this side over here, and then I put 2 on this side over here to tighten it up. And as you can see, it is not going anywhere, man. So yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think, man, on the front lip splitter. So what I did was the 2 that I took, I ran them through that yellow bump guard. So for all y'all that made fun of the yellow bump guards, haha, they did come in handy. So yeah, so that's on that. And as you can see, like I say, they are on tight. It's not going anywhere. Giving y'all that view of it. The front lip splitter. Basically, on them screws up under it, those are 7mm screws to unscrew them. That's all I needed, man, was the 7mm and a screwdriver. Well, the drill. Old regular standard drill, man, to screw the 4 screws in. So that is what you'll need extra, is for like 4 screws. I didn't really need 4, but I put 2 on this side and 2 on that side just because. And oh yeah, and 1 in the middle. So a total of 5 extra screws, man. I do have the brackets or whatever y'all want to call these. I do have these, but right now I don't have time to do it. I got to get back in here and then get back to work. But I just wanted to give y'all a heads up of what it looks like. The description will be down below how much I paid for that chin guard. It's pretty simple. You ain't got to take the front bumper off. It's real easy. So basically all I did was jack the side of the car up. Once I jacked the side of the car up, it was easy access from there, man. I was able to get up under there with the drill and everything. But yeah, man, that's simple. That's simple. And that's by MP Concepts. Like I say, I'll give y'all the link down below how much I paid and everything. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to that channel, man. Hit that like button, comment, do what you gotta do, man. You know, just as long as you subscribe to the channel and show the support, man. We're on our way to 500, and that's what we're trying to get. So next, what y'all probably see is I'm trying to get those put on probably one day this week. I'm gonna try to get those metal rods put on. I don't know, man. I've seen some carbon fiber ones too. Y'all tell me if I should go with the carbon fiber ones or just go with those I guess chrome ones. But y'all comment down below, let me know. Let me know. And on another note, y'all tell me, should I go with a light in the grill in there in the hood scoop? Let me know. Y'all comment down below. Cause I was thinking about putting a light. Well, I'm definitely getting lights in that hood scoop. But y'all let me know, should I go with one down in that grill down at the bottom? But with that said, man, y'all stay tuned for the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure y'all subscribe and hit that post bell notification. And stay tuned, because I got more mods coming, man. Like I said, y'all just had to be patient with me, man. I just had to take care of some stuff. But y'all stay tuned. I got more coming. Hopefully another mod should be here today or this afternoon. If it don't, it'll be uploaded the next day. But y'all stay tuned to that. Also, like I said, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. We are on our way to 500, man. 500 before the summer ends. Let's get it. Peace.